Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit and today I've protected this BMW M4 CS with the Starline system. So a thief gets your key, they hop in the vehicle to try and steal it. The vehicle's going to start up, but when they select a gear it's going to cut out. So we'll start it up, select a gear to drive off, car cuts out. So for the customer, they start it up, go through a push sequence of their choosing. So for this video we've left it simple at 1, 2, 3, hear a melody and now we can drive. So you're unable to select a gear until you hear that melody. That proves that the system is disarmed and that it's actually you driving the vehicle. So this can also be paired to a phone. So Bluetooth can be turned on the phone, locked and in your pocket, get in and started. We'll hear the melody straight away. There we go, and we can drive it. No need for a code. Very simple, almost like the car originally was. No need for a code, no need for ignition on. Just hop in, Bluetooth in your pocket, start it up. The system will disarm because it proves it is you. And then you can select your gear and drive. This system also has an app, so if you go into the app and you need to take it for a service, what you can do is press and hold on this key. It will spin round, spin round, spin round. When it goes to yellow, we'll let go. 2 bleeps and now this is a normal vehicle. So no code, no phone. When you take it back to BM, it will start up just as if there was nothing fitted. They can do what they need to do in the workshop, service it and so on. And they won't know there's anything fitted. When you get it back and you want to turn the system back on to make sure it's secure, press and hold till it goes green, let go, and we get our 2 bleeps. There we go, that system's back on now. If the customer wants to change the code on this, obviously they don't want it to be the 3 presses we've just shown. So their ignition on, disarm it, the phone's in range so it's disarmed through that. Then we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on any button that's supported, turn the car off and back on. We get 5 bleeps. So we'll just change it to, this can be all the way to 21 presses. We've just done 3. We'll get a confirmation of that code. And then again, we'll just repeat it. So 1, 2, 3 is our code. On the phone, we'll just turn the Bluetooth off for now because that's in range. We get our confirmation. For the second time, we can turn the car off. So now the next time the customer gets in it, sort of 10 seconds later, he'll start it up, go through the new code, disarm the system and drive. To get one of these installed, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This is a Starline Immobiliser on this M4 CS. Thanks for watching.